No, not yet. Okay.
You will burn yourself, huh?
Careful.
The wick is not very...
It's okay, don't worry.
Now can we blow it?
No.
No, not we, only he.
No, both of them can blow.
Yeah.
Day
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rajiv. Happy birthday to you.
Why? Let's blow the cake.
Ah, clap. That's right. We have to clap now. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. That's right.
Blow! Blow!
Ah, bravo. Buon compleanno, amore.
Hey. Now who's got the cake?
Apu, you want to cut the cake? Apu, you want to cut the cake? Okay.
I'll put it like this, the cake.
Apu, where is the knife? Hold it. Can you continue the movie?
Take him in his hand.
We can cut
Take him in your
this
hand.
coat like this.
They just help.
Help.
I'll bring another knife. I don't think it is ready. This one? Another? Okay. Come on, take it.
This is not a great video because Kunju is screaming. The audio effect will be...
Give him a cake, please.
Please, Viju. Viju, can you please help me?
Wonderful.
So big piece.
I am very busy.
He wants more.
It's okay, Jerry. I'm taking a video.
Get Amma.